Alrighty, so we got the turbocharger in last night, all bolted down, hooked up. I need slightly larger hose clamps yet, because those ones aren't big enough for the new hose, but there you go. Anyway, so on to the next big thing. The high pressure oil pump, which you can see lurking in the depths there. So, I'm supposed to take off the fuel bowl and shit to get at it, but I really don't want to. So I think I can see a way to do this with just taking off a couple of fuel fittings. So, we'll see how it goes, but wish me luck. Well, we got the high pressure oil pump off and the fuel bowl assembly. Same as the water pump. You can see the hole there. You can see through the block. Right now, see into the valley of death there. There's that. There's the old high pressure oil pump. There's the new adrenaline diesel. Just need to pop that IPR off and check it. Make sure she's all good, and I don't need to order another one. And we'll be away to the races. Thanks for watching.